My video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of pop-ups, scary pop-ups that come from the site safepcprotection.co.in. Safepcprotection.co.in is a deceptive site that may suddenly attack your Google Chrome and other browsers. Safepcprotection.co.in tells that your subscription may have expired. This pop-up may also display some other faulty messages that may try to actually deceive you and to trick you into thinking that your computer is horribly infected and vulnerable. But all these pop-ups are not related to Windows, they are not related to Microsoft, and they are not related to any decent security software. They claim to be related to these programs, but they are not associated with these well-known security programs. In fact, if you mistakenly click on this Renew Subscription button, you may be brought to some other deceptive sites, and eventually all these pop-ups try to force you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. Also, some of these pop-ups may collect your personal details like your name, surname, email address, and other data. Don't ever interact with them, don't tolerate them. First thing you should do and you can do is checking the control panel. If you see any suspicious programs here on the list, uninstall them in a regular manner. But if you don't see anything suspicious, still your system functions in a strange way, you see these pop-ups attacking your screen, I do recommend researching your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the official page combocleaner.com, use this green download button, install the program, and then begin researching your computer with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.